Hi all. I wanted to have an open talk with all of you. So in this I would like to thank all my subscribers for getting into the 200 mark, and it's great to be with you all. And then I want to talk about the beginner accounts. This is for the beginners. So this is the second account which I'm showing. It's an Android, and I started this from scratch, just to see, if I'm starting, like, how will I proceed right now. So I will show you my collection. So as you can see, my Combat Cup Sonia is Ascension Fusion 1, and then the Combat Cup Johnny is Fusion 9. So I predominantly focused only on these two cards for a beginner because these two cards are the most important ones. Okay, so I would recommend everyone as a beginner to focus only on this pack when it comes with 325 souls, right? So this one you get the two cards, top two gold cards, okay, and with them you can finish the normal tower. So which is very good because you only concentrate on two cards and you finish a tower is much better. So you can finish 95% of the time if you have this. Two cards. So I would recommend everyone to focus only on this as a beginner, and along with that you can focus on faction wars and try to get one copy of classic Airmark. One copy is enough, so he is predominantly for the bosses, and fuse classic Scorpion only at the start, get him to F10, and with classic Scorpion, Combat Cup Johnny and Combat Cup Sonia, you are having a very good team. Okay, so that is my recommendation for the beginners if they want to start with this. So all they need is a 9,000 soul. Start collecting 9,000 souls, put everything in this pack, and then you get you can finish normal towers. So it's as easy as it is, but yeah, that's how it is. And I would recommend playing Krypt. So regarding the Krypt, I like it, but it's too much of crashes in iOS, and so I don't like it. So what happens is I start playing and then the crash happens, and I have to revive and it spoils the flow. So I couldn't do much in it, but even though it crashed, I fused a subname's Joker, and I also got Edenian Blood Kitana, and after that I stopped, and I didn't want the equipment pack. I didn't like the equipments. I won't use Shansung and Punchy anyhow. So so yeah, so it's useless for me, so I didn't play. It consumes a lot of time, so I for me it's not needed because I got a very good account, and I can finish fatal, so I don't need that. So I don't need to waste time also. But yeah, I like the mode. I'll try to get diamonds, good diamonds from there, and it's a good start for MK Mobile. Okay, guys. So this is all the points I want to talk with all of you, and I would again thank for all the subscribers and keep pushing me. Thank you.